Hello friends, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn about 3-digit numbers and to arrange them in ascending and descending order. Let us first see how to arrange 3-digit numbers in ascending order. So, in ascending order means we arrange the numbers from smaller to larger, correct? So, let us take an example. Let us consider three numbers which are 796, 742 and 864. So, we will be arranging these three numbers in ascending order. So, let us begin. Step 1 would be placing the digits of the three numbers in hundreds, tens and ones place. So, let us begin that. So, the first number is 796. When I place the digits of these numbers in hundreds, tens, ones, I have 6 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place and 7 in the hundreds place. Similarly, I will be placing the digits of the number 742. And in the same way, we can place the digits of the number 864. So, what is the next step? In the next step, we compare the hundreds place of all the three numbers. So, what do we have in the hundreds place? The first number, we have 7 in the hundreds place. In the second number, we have 7 in the hundreds place. And in the third number, we have 8 in the hundreds place. So, after comparing the hundreds place, we see that 864, which has 8 hundreds, will be the greatest number, correct? Now, the hundreds place of the remaining two numbers have the same digit, that is 7. So, our next step would include comparing the tens place of the numbers 796 and 742. So, let us compare them. So, we have 9 in the tens place of one number and 4 in the tens place of another number. So, after comparing, we see that while 796 has 9 tens and 742 has 4 tens. Therefore, obviously 796 will be greater than 742. Have we compared all the three numbers? Yes, we have. So now, once we are done with comparing, what we will do? We will arrange the from lowest to the greatest. Now, we have understood that 742 is the smallest number, followed by 796. And which is the greatest number? Which we had determined initially, that is 864. So, we have determined that these three numbers have been written from lowest to the greatest. So, we can say 742 is smaller than 796. And the 796 is smaller than 864. Thus, my dear students, we have arranged the given three numbers in ascending order.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.